Alrighty, so it's 3 o'clock in the morning and we're on the road. Going to get to the beach.
Is it 3 o'clock?
Yeah.
You're such a liar.
Woo! Here's the dealio.
Brushing out my eyelashes.
We are here in Capitola now. Walk around until about 12 o'clock. Then we're gonna hop in the water and go surf. There's a lot of pressure on me now. It's not happening. Bear Grylls can suck my butt. See me skip a rock? Nice flat one. What? Okay, four skips?
They're swarming.
Bro, we should lure one in here. There's no way it's getting out.
There's no way we're getting it in here.
We put pizza, 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 pizza.
Or Cheez-Its.
Get out. Come into our home.
Oh my gosh, oh my god.
Oh.
Yeah, I do not want one of these giant ones.
Oh.
They're in. He's in.
Oh, that's why we needed to close that out,
These
bro.
guys are smart.
You know, pretty much, we're about to get in the water, but I had a nice pump in yesterday. So, you know, my bis, my tris, pecs, and abs, all upper body, all pretty sore. We'll see how it goes.
So basically, surfing didn't work out.
Got a wave, though. I was about to do like backside 180 and then, you know, maybe a 360 in there. What happened was it closed out, so I was like, you know, I'm just gonna hit the next wave. But I saw where my cameraman was sleeping on the beach, so I was like, oh, I gotta come in. Okay.
You dry?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it.
You don't know how good it is to see a water source like this.